Okay, so we're here at the time of the year that, I don't know, that it's not my favorite time of getting from outside to the inside, or from nice weather, what I consider nice weather, to cold weather. And that also changes what the motorsports do, right?
exactly.
I mean, that's
Before we get too far into it, you'll notice that other Mike isn't here. We have Joe for
exactly.
this chat instead.
Where is other Mike? Oh, he's
Not
not
here.
here.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just-
Anyway,
So
my other Mike might get back sometime. Whenever he
we
gets
found a
back.
much better replacement.
Yeah, there you go. Ow. So anyway, so the big deal is, a lot around here in New England, people are transitioning, they're putting their two-wheel and sometimes their four-wheel stuff away, and they're going to tracks and skis.
Yeah, snowmobile season. Not
Yeah.
that we don't have a lot of people up here that still try to ride their street bikes in the snow.
It can be done.
Durr.
Yeah, I mean, they'll try, and that's fine. And of course, since other Mike isn't here, you can ride a three-wheeler whenever you want.
The anti-three-wheeler is not with us today.
But it's a fun season. I know the snowmobile trail system up in New England is crazy big.
Huge.
Yeah.
Huge.
Yeah.
You can start in southern New Hampshire and you can go all the way up into Canada.
That's where we are right now. We're on the Mass-New Hampshire border, and you can literally go
Yeah.
to Canada
Yeah.
from here.
Yeah.
So,
It's wild. And as we were talking before too, you find that if you've ridden in New England, there are two types of snowmobile riders. Do you want to explain the two that there are?
There are the people that have been ready to go for months and months waiting for the first snow, and then you got the people that wait to the last second, get to their camp, and snowmobile doesn't start.
I need a stator.
Yep.
I need it right now.
Exactly.
I'm going on vacation. And here's the part that they didn't tell you. I didn't prepare for that.
Exactly. Yeah. No planning.
No plans.
Yeah,
So, like,
yeah.
they'll open their trailer up, look at this snowmobile, and notice, oh, there's a big mouse nest there. And I'm already 4 hours away from my house.
Exactly.
Now what are we going to do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you guys fix my snowmobile? Yes, sir, we can do that at an emergency rate of $250 an hour. We can fix it for
The
you.
shops up north are
You
open.
should do that.
Yeah.
They
should
open,
do-
they actually run, they run a 24-hour shift.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Yeah, they do. It's crazy. It's crazy what they do.
There's that many people that go up unprepared.
Well, just figure it
I
out.
believe it, though. I believe it.
There's like, if you have an investment in a snow machine, you've got, the machines now, they're all 10 grand or better. So you got a couple of them, we'll say. What's a good trailer worth? Another 3 or 4 grand? At least,
Easy.
right? Maybe more.
Yeah, easy.
Probably more. Oh, what are you towing it with? Oh, an F-250. Oh, now you're into a 50 for that. So you've got $75,000, $80,000 worth of investment
Yeah.
rolling up north, and the
It
machine
better
don't
start.
work, right?
Yeah.
Not to mention, you got a room, you got a cabin, you got whatever at $500 a night, and the thing don't work. I mean, come on, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So is $250 an hour something that they're gonna, say no to? No, they can't. They can't.
They're already in it.
Yeah.
So how about not spending the $250 an hour and kind of like getting the machine running the way it's supposed to run before you go?
There you go.
Anyway,
Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, I always found that contrast amusing.
that just blows me away too. And it's repetitive. See it year
And you
after
every
year
single
after
year.
year. How many people call up when we do snowmobile staters? Right?
They always
Oh,
want
I
to
need
tomorrow.
it right now.
Yep.
Yeah, so it's crazy.
And I think snowmobiling is fun. I'm not much of a snowmobiler. I don't like the cold.
Yeah,
Too much?
I'm not into that as much either, but there are fans that really like it. I
Oh,
mean,
yeah.
you did it for a while, Joe, right?
I went a few times, Freiburg, Maine, actually.
Yep.
Well-groomed trails.
Yep.
I mean, it wasn't really my cup of tea, but
Yep.
I
Hey,
had fun doing it.
Yeah.
yep.
It's just,
I
if
hate-
you're going and you turn, it
Yep.
doesn't really turn like a dirt bike or a
Right,
motorcycle.
right,
you know
right.
what I
It's
mean?
different.
So
It's different.
yeah.
Yeah,
It's definitely
and
different.
and I'm telling you, there's diehard fans out there that I mean, they love going snowmobiling.
Oh, yeah.
My cousin does. My cousin Dave. Hi, Dave. He's a big snowmobiler, and you know, they love it. They like, that's what they live for that. And it's like any other motorsport that you really like and people like, and they want to have a good time. So
As long as you're out on a machine, you're having fun outdoors. That's all that really
Okay, that's what
matters.
you
Yep.
Yep, who cares what you're doing?
all right.
Enjoy the sport.
Yep, enjoy it. Think about it a little bit ahead of time and save yourself like
A
freaking
huge headache.
ton
Yeah.
of crapola. Anyway, so we will catch you next time.